Wait, okay. Hey YouTubers, I have a request video which was requested by a couple of people. I'll post the names of the people that requested it on the description box because I need to look through. Another one also for holiday curls. Just when I have the time, I'll do it. Also, FTC approved. This was a gift from my boyfriend. He bought it for me from beautychoice.com. I'll post the link on the description box too. So I didn't pay for it. Beauty Choice didn't give it to me. My boyfriend gave it to me. So okay. So yeah, all you need is 1-inch straightener that has rounded edges to get this look, and it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. So yeah, check it out. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. So all you're gonna have to do is, it's called crimping your hair. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna flip it, and then flip it the other way. Then flip it inwards. No, upwards. And you get this piece of hair. Flip it 180 degrees. Then pull it out. Flip it 180. You only leave it on for a little while, depending how hard your hair is to style. Oh, that one you could really see how it looks. See? Okay, I am done, and they come out to be like pretty crazy, I guess, kind of depending on your hair. I have a lot of hair, so yeah. And actually, I forgot. I'm adding Treseme No Frizz Ultra Light Shine Spray, and just to add some shine, and so it won't be frizzy. So yeah, it's pretty easy once you get the movements right, how to do it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and happy holidays.